Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own Netflix account. Let's get into it. Alright, so open up the browser of your choice, type netflix.com. You'll be redirected to this site for the version of Netflix of your country. So to create an account, what you want to do is enter your email address here. So once you've typed in the email address, just press get started. You're going to be redirected here where it says finish setting up your account. Just press next. Next it will ask you to create a password. So your email will already be put in, and then you just want to create a short, easy to remember password. And you can choose whether or not you want special offers. I do not. And then click next. Alright, now we got to choose the plan. Okay, so the first plan starts at 11 Australian dollars, which is $7.65 USD at the current exchange rate. So for this, you'll get good video quality. The resolution will be 480p and you'll be able to watch on one screen. New rules at Netflix state that only people who live with you should be the ones using your account. Otherwise, the account may be terminated. But if you do have people in the same house as you who do want to use the same account, if you have premium, you can use 4 different devices. If you have standard, you can use 2. And if you have basic, you can use 1 device at the same time. Standard is 17 Australian dollars. The video quality is better. It's 1080p. I imagine this would be the most popular plan. And then finally, you got the premium plan, which is $23. So for this, you get to watch the shows in the best quality possible if you have the setup for it. So after you've chosen which plan you want, just press next. Now it's going to ask you for your payment. So select whichever payment you're going to use. Alright, so after you've entered in the payment details and it's gone through, it's going to ask you to set up your password recovery, which is the phone number connected to the account. So just go ahead and enter that. Make sure the right country is selected. And then you're all good. Now you're just setting up your account. So let Netflix know where you'll be watching it, who will be watching, so you can add all the profiles here, and which languages you would like to watch the shows in. And then it's going to ask you to pick titles that you like. After pressing finish, it's going to create a homepage for you based on your selections. And there we go, that is it. So that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button as well. If you did run into any problems, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. That is it from me. Peace out.